Hey, what's going on, guys? It's my birthday. Well, my birthday's coming up, but I got my birthday present early this year. I'm extremely stoked. It's a new Soundwave V2. Goal is to get this frame on this bike. Once we get this bike taken apart, this should be fairly easy to get going. All right. All right, so that wasn't too bad. You got all the parts off this frame. I'm leaving the chain on there because I'm going to be using it again. And I got a new chain for the new bike. Let's go over some of the new parts I'm going to put on the new bike. Odyssey plastic. These are the new graduate pegs. Take a quick look here. So they're pretty cool. On the inside, this is actually chromoly, the insert, so it should be a little bit stronger than some of the other ones I've used that were just like aluminum insert. Those will like dent and bang, and like the plastic will crack, and then the actual insert will kind of dent, and you can't get your socket wrench in there to remove it. But we're gonna give these a try, see how long they last. I did get some replacement sleeves ready to go. And then we got Shadow interlock. This is the Supreme chain and a new headset we'll be installing today. And you gotta have the Shadow tool. All right, let's see how long it takes to get this bike built. Let's see here, we got some pegs. We'll open it up, kind of an unboxing of a peg. All right, front and back, let's get these bad boys on. All right, well, I think we're all set. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and we'll go outside and kind of ride it around a little bit, see how it feels. All right. The build is all complete now. Maybe we'll do a little, just a quick bike check real quick. It's a Sunday Soundwave V2, and it's the toothpaste. I do run the Odyssey aerospace rims. I got just the regular, they were complete. I didn't get anything super custom, they were just complete. The aerospace, I think those are hubs. This is the anagram. I know the Odyssey Lincoln stem's kind of an older stem, but I still run it. I think it's a fantastic stem. In fact, I have two of them on order from the Odyssey store. And Odyssey PCs. These are the black and white ones, the new tie-dye colors. They look cool. I think it looks good on this bike too. And then the seat is actually a demolition seat. R32 forks. These are the Aaron Ross Boss bars. It's just the regular Vans grips. They're fine. I've been using gloves when I ride lately, but you can see how much throttle grip I get on here. Well, it doesn't really spin, but you know, it happens. Got the Shadow Supreme chain, interlock, Sunday Knox. It's an older sprocket, but Sunday Knox 25 tooth. Rocking a Thunderbolt, Odyssey Thunderbolts. Using the old Odyssey Aaron Ross tires here, the K-Lights. They're still in pretty good condition. So I might be getting, I don't know, maybe some white walls on this bike would probably look pretty cool. But we'll see. I got the Odyssey graduate plastic pegs. Got those front and back. And I think that's just about it. I don't know if there's anything else really to go over, but the bike is amazing. I'm very happy with it. Couldn't be happier. Well, there you have it. Here's my new bike.